How to transfer Bitcoin from Bitget to Binance. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. So now after that, click on Assets and now select the spot from the top bar and now click on Withdraw. And after that, in the search bar, just type the BTC and now click on your token. After that, click on Launching Withdrawal and now select your network from here. Now select the network that will cost you less fee. In this case, it will be, for example, the BIP20. Now after that, to get to withdrawal address of Bitcoin, you need to get it from your Binance account. Now go and open your Binance app. So after you open the Binance app and log into your account, to get to withdrawal address of Bitcoin, you need to go to Assets and now select the spot from the top bar, as you can see, and now click on Deposits. Now if you click on your Bitcoin here, now just set the BIP20 as you set it before in Bitget. Now just copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go back to your Bitget app and paste it here in the withdrawal address box. And after that, set the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your coin or your token on your Binance account. So this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Bitget to Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.